Sarafina, Sarafi. Do you want to see? As you guys can imagine, I was probably raving off that day. So, yeah. Just go with the vibe in silence, make a beat in your head or so. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of high. And it's snowing outside. Imagine that. I haven't seen snow in 3 years. Yeah, or 2.5 if you want to class it that. I would say 3 years because my child is 4. So, yeah. Snow out here in this world. Guys, so I'm on my break right now. But I am trading the whole day, but the market's hardly moved. Like, as you can see. Right. Oh, my green tea right here. The market's hardly moved since I've been awake. Like, so, there's not really much. And I already have a buy-in. So, am I an idiot, fam? This is me. Where's my phone so I can show you guys? And I'm using my phone. Actually, I might be able to show you on here. Give me 1 second. Let me go to my metaphor. Yeah, so, don't know if you guys can see that. But, I already have like a couple buys on. I don't think you guys can see it. I don't particularly want to TP on it for that reason. If it hits my stop loss, then I've only lost about 1,500. And as you can see here, I'm about to TP on some other markets because if that market is in that way, then what I should really do is check the other markets because they haven't actually been in sync lately. Some days, yeah. The last 4 weeks, yes. But within that, they've constantly come out of swing. So I'm thinking. Sorry, I know I shouldn't actually be doing this. Like, you're probably thinking, what the fuck are you saying? What the fuck? Because my thought process is in my head, as in price action, pip count. It's just, oh, this is the wrong mouse. I've got 2 mice next to each other because obviously I've got 4 screens in front of me, but only 3, really and truly. But if I was to hold this for the weekly, this looks like a nice little setup. If it's true, like, if it's not true, then I have a 30 pip stock loss, which breaks my trend. So I'm like, alright, cool, no problem. But just because you see the market trail doesn't mean there won't be a retest. Understand? Should take my clothes off of the radiator. Probably looks bad whilst I'm in the meeting and I've just got clothes hanging up on the radiator. Actually, I don't think you can see it because of the camera. But yeah, guys, I'm bloody excited. There's me saying, oh, I'm going to TP. And let me just TP whilst I'm on the screen. It says 3,600. There's only one market I want to TP on, and that would be... So, look at this, yeah. On ZAR, I just made £2,000, technically £1,500, and then technically £900. So, yeah. It's all said and done. minus, how much is it? 10%. Equals, yeah. Oh, I'm including tax as well. I'm including tax as well. Because this is just a day. Imagine adding it up to the month. But it's okay. You can tell them at the end of the year too. Works out cheaper. So as you can see, it's in profit for £24, which is pretty good. But I feel like it's going to retest the previous hour, which is only because it was like a quick movement in the last 10 minutes of the hour. So I feel like it's going to try and see what way the market's going. If you wanted to make money, you could just withdraw every time it reaches 100. Like £100 a day, £100 a day, £300. Sorry, £300, £3,000 a freaking month. An additional, like, it should just say TP. But where I've just placed myself is actually a pretty decent, place to just place myself. So I don't particularly want to TP on it. So I placed, and if I'm to go back to my metaphor, I'm in profit of £65. Now £12. £20. Okay. So, did it again. Can you see? I think you can see it properly now. So I've been in the market for time. Look at these swaps. I've been in the market since last week because it barely moved the last 2 days, I'd say. It still has barely moved today. But I could actually TP on this. But I'm not going to, because I want to find out what way the market is moving. Just so you know, these aren't all the same trades. Yeah, all completely different.